I'm Christine and welcome to our Infinity Workshop. In this short video, we are going to help you select and install the correct quick corner hardware parts when adapting your Infinity AIR GRATE into a wood panel system. But before we start, I'd like to point out two important objectives when adapting the Infinity AIR GRATE into any existing floor system. First, the Infinity tile needs to be installed so there is adequate structural support for cart and heavy equipment loads. And second, you want the Infinity GRATE to have the best flush fit as possible with your surrounding solid tiles. To achieve both objectives, we need to make sure the right Infinity quick corner parts are installed and properly engaged with the existing pedestal support understructure. So, with that in mind, let's look at the quick corner parts used when adapting into a wood system. There are four parts we'll be working with: quick corner 1 or quick corner 2, the quick corner extension plate and its push pin fastener, and the self-locking nylon quick nut that secures the parts to the panel. The quick corner extension plate is used to extend the bottom footprint of the Infinity GRATE to the outer edges so that it will engage the support structure of a wood core panel. We first have to determine what quick corner to use by measuring the span between the finished floor surface and the point where the Infinity quick corner makes support contact with the understructure. Typically, with a wood system, this is on the surface of the connecting stringer, as we refer to as dimension X. There are different ways you can make this measurement, and remember, the more accurate the measurement, the better the flush fit, which is very important so you don't end up with a potential trip hazard or speed bump effect with cart traffic. For our demonstration here and in the field, you will want to remove one or possibly two existing tiles from the floor to clearly expose the corner support understructure. After the tile has been removed, take an ordinary 12-inch ruler and place it on its edge over the tile's surface so that the end extends over the cavity area directly above the stringer. Make sure the edge of the ruler stays in full contact with the panel surface end to end. Position a sturdy business card on its end onto the stringer and flat against the back side of the ruler. We need to make sure the card is in complete contact with the stringer. Now, with a pencil, draw a line on the business card along the bottom edge of the ruler. Okay, now let's use the ruler to record the measurement of our pencil line on the business card. The overall height of this panel measures 1 1/8 inch and is what we refer to in the Infinity Parts Guide as dimension X. As the saying goes, it is better to measure twice and cut once. So even though you're not cutting anything, you should measure again to make sure you get the same dimension. And it's even better yet if you can take an additional measurement at one of the opposite corners. Remember, the more accurate the measurement, the better flush fit you will have after placing the Infinity tile into the floor. We have now placed the Infinity panel bottom side up on our table. Quick corner 1, which is white, is almost always used for wood applications, but occasionally we will use quick corner 2, which is gray. Quick corner 3 cannot be used. Each quick corner provides 1/4 inch overall adjustment for level using 1/16 increments. The simple understanding of the quick corner is that when you rotate the position of the quick corner a quarter turn, you effectively change the height profile of the Infinity panel by 1/16 of an inch. There are 4 letter markings molded into each quick corner for easy identification: A, B, C, and D. Since we have already measured for dimension X using the business card, you can refer to the Infinity website and the Quick Corner Parts Guide. That will identify exactly which quick corner to use for this wood system and the corner position for the best flush fit. For this demo, we already know to use quick corner 1 with it set in the letter A position. It's best and easiest to pre-assemble the quick corner parts and then secure the assembly into the Infinity Grate. Simply place the extender plate over quick corner 1 so that it covers up the A position. It is very important that the side marked stringer side is facing up and that these two alignment holes match up. Attach the parts together by pressing the push pin firmly into the retainer hole in the quick corner. The quick corner assembly is now complete and ready to be attached to the grate. The quick corner hand tool I will use in this demonstration is not required but does allow you a faster setup and eliminates finger fatigue when working with a large number of panels. If you do not have the hand tool, a 1/2-inch box end wrench will work fine too. Simply place the quick corner assembly over the positioning post on the panel with the extension plate pointing in the most outward position. Take the quick nut and push it onto the post just enough to engage the threads and then use the hand tool or wrench to firmly push the quick nut down into a locked position. You don't want a loose fit, so test the fit by wiggling the quick corner extension plate. If the assembly is loose at all, simply turn the quick nut clockwise a quarter turn. Check again for a snug fit. Repeat as necessary until you get a satisfactory fit. Once the quick nut is secured properly in place, the quick corner cannot be accidentally displaced or moved out of level position during routine handling and maintenance. Now we'll pre-assemble the other 3 quick corners to the extension plates and install them on the panel. All 4 corners are now installed with a snug fit and the Infinity tile is ready to be placed into the floor. The final thing we need to do is see if we achieved our 2 main objectives: best flush fit and to provide safe structural support for heavy equipment loads. Looks like we have a near flush transition between the Infinity Grate and existing solid tile. And now, let's see how we did on engaging the pedestal support structure. Notice how the outer edges of the extension plate make positive contact here along the surface of the connecting stringer. All looks good with the Infinity Grate providing proper structural stability for safe, durable performance. This is Christine, and I hope this video was helpful in selecting quick corner parts for adapting into your wood floor system. Thanks for visiting our Infinity Workshop.